What's up? What? This is Kenny here from Property Stories. So today there's a question from my audience. Or the question sounds like this: Bro Kenny, does share margin facility in secret report affect our DSR? Okay, this person want share margin. This person want to know whether it's affect DSR. Affect here, I think what he means is DSR will increase or not. But the commitment in the secret be taken into account for DSR calculation. The answer is both yes and no. It depends. Because if the banks, some banks, I know they treat share margin like an overdraft. So how do they count? Let's just say you have 100,000 share margin. They will count the approved limit. Even though you use or don't use how much you use, they will count the approved limit times 8% divided by 12. That is your commitment. So in this case, 100,000 times 8% is 8,000, right? Divided by 12 is 600 ringgit. Sorry, 600,000 pula. 600 ringgit. About 667. Okay, 667. So this 667 here, you see, you add to your commitment. So that's why a lot of people, right, when I see the case where they have share margin from other banks or even the same bank, they give you share margin, they will still add. However, there are some banks who will remove this share margin as commitment if the balance is zero. Okay, they will treat it as zero because share margin, right, can indirectly you have collateral. The collateral is shares. Okay, so some banks actually will treat it as zero if you don't use. But if you use, of course, they will count based on the balance. Balance times 8%. The general calculation is about 8% per annum divided by 12. Whatever you get divided by 12. So my advice to you is this: if you are going for a housing loan, I would highly encourage that you check your secrets, and if need be, do cancel the share margin. You can always apply later, okay? You can always apply back later after you get your housing loan. If not, if you earn very high income, you're very confident that you can pass, just leave the share margin. If you're not confident, please cancel before you apply for housing loan. That's all. Just depends on what you can do and how confident you are in getting your loan based on your income. Okay? So this is Kenny here from Property Stories. If you need our services, you know where to reach us. The Google form is right down below. If you got any more questions, please email me. The email is down there. And finally, if you have not subscribed to the channel, do hit subscribe. And I'll see you again in the next video. Bye-bye.